Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So I am back. I'm back with another video, and it is gonna be a makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna be giving you guys a review. I just got my big box of 64 palette from the Crayon case, so I'm gonna be trying this palette out. I already know it's gonna be good because I mean, like, the Crayon case has quality products. I love all of their freaking products. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and be reviewing this. So it looks like here, and then it opens up like this, which is so cute. It is a big palette, you guys, but we got a lot of colors to play with, okay? So before we get into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you guys enjoy this video, if you like reviews, that way I can continue to do them. And make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'll have everything down below for you guys. And yeah, let's get to this video. Okay, so I'm not even gonna do swatches because for me, I just feel like swatches could always either go good or bad, and I feel like in order to really get a good idea of whether the eyeshadow is good or bad is to actually apply them on the eye. That's just for me. So I feel like, I don't know, I definitely want to use this shade West Carol, which is this shade right here. Such a beautiful shade. I swatched it yesterday. It's like the most gorgeous rose gold shade ever. So I'm definitely going to use that. So since that's a rose gold shade, I might just go in with more of like the brown tone shades in this palette. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know if I should do like a cut crease or what. So the first shade that I'm going to take is called Jefferson Davis, and I'm going to apply that into the crease. Ooh, nice and pigmented. And I'm using my Morphe M506 brush. You guys know it's my favorite brush to use. Oh yeah, she is gorgeous. This is really pretty. I thought I was going to use brown shades, and this is like a maroon shade. I don't know, the shade was calling me too. So I'm just going to apply this in the crease. I'm going to do like a moon shape. Nice little rounded shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it out anyway. But so far, I am really liking this pigment. I feel like for me, eyeshadows, like, they have to be pigmented and they have to blend really, like, really good. And one thing I don't like is when I blend my eyeshadow and it kind of just like blends the eyeshadow like way too much to the point where, you know, there's like nothing on the lid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do like small little windshield wiper motions, but also kind of bringing in that round, like circular motion into it so that we can keep this rounded shape here. And this blends so easy. Holy crap. This is, oh yes, this is really nice. Like, look how easy that blended. And I still have most of the shadow on. You guys, I'm sorry if you hear my son, but he's like remote learning right now. So I really like, oh yes. This is like so good, and it blended so well, you guys. Like so well. I really like this shade. This is really nice. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. You guys, I'm like working on my posture because it's like, I feel like my posture just kind of like went into nothing. So it's like so hard for me to like, I don't know. And then my body be hurting sometimes. Like, oof. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna take is Vernon. It's like a nice peachy, corally type of shade, and I'm gonna apply that right here to diffuse those edges more. And add a little bit more warmth because this is definitely a nice warm shade. Look at that, you guys. And this brush that I'm using is from Hip Dot and Face by Kareem. This is one of the brushes that came in the collection. Oh yes, baby. Look at, oh, look at that. She's a beauty. This is such a pretty shade. And it definitely complements the Jefferson Davis shade. Like, this is so nice. Okay, so this definitely is blending out super, super good. There's no patchiness going on at all, which is A1. I hate shadows that get super, super patchy. And it's definitely working nicely with the base that I used. I used the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I do have an affiliate code with them, so if you guys like, go ahead and use code rosevmua and it saves you 30% off. And yeah, it's doing really, really good. Yes, this is so pretty. This is really, really nice. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna take Catahoula, I think that's the name. And I'm just gonna take this Jessup 237 Detail Shader Brush. It's a really small brush. And this is a white shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this on the brow bone. This is a really nice white. This is a really nice white. This is really nice. Whites are super, super hard, I feel, to make. It's either you're gonna miss it or you're gonna hit it. And I feel like the Crayon case definitely hit it. Definitely hit it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with West Carroll, and I'm not gonna do, now looking at the look, because it has like a nice rounded shape, I'm not even gonna do a cut crease. I'm literally just going to apply the shadow on top. And I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 brush. I was looking for my crayon case brush. I used it. Okay. Oh nope, I got the other one. Yeah, I love this one. This crayon case brush, the pencil brush. This one here is so good, packing on like pigments, and I love using this for like glitter as well. So this one is like a foiled type. You know what this reminds me of? This shade here, West Carroll. This one reminds me of the Huda Beauty shimmers. Like they're foiled ones that it has like all different type of like colors, and so you like mix it up and apply it and it just looks freaking stunning and beautiful. That's what this one reminds me of. And look, you guys, oh, I don't even have to wet it. None of that. Just apply it on the damn eye, okay? Look at that. Oh, this looks so good. Now, with these, I know that if you were to like wet it, I'm gonna wet it. I'm about to spray my brush. I know that this pigment is gonna go bing. So, put a little bit on my brush. I'm gonna spray it with my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And I'm gonna just place that right in the center. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You guys see that? It just like intensified it even freaking more. Oh, this is freaking gorgeous. Like, that is so nice. Yeah, that is. Okay, I'm gonna just take a little brush. I have to get real close. And I'm literally just going to put this in the edge just to help deepen up this outer edge and bring some more definition. And we're literally just focusing it right here. See how it just adds a little bit more definition? I'm just tapping. I'm not doing anything crazy. And I'm going to take that same brush that I use without any added product and just blend out. Look at that. Let me just blend it out so good. Okay. Super definitely hit it with this palette. Like, this is bomb. And I'm actually gonna take that white shade because since we have so much like shimmer there, I'm literally, oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, it's just like, oh yes, like perfect. It just boom. Okay, actually gonna put some on my nose, just a little bit. Mix it in with the highlight. Oh, the highlighter a little bit. Highlight the nose a little bit. This is really, really pretty. I really, really love the way this came out. This is like stunning. Liquid lipstick in the shade Marie. When I saw this and it said Marie, I had to get it because my name is Rosemary, so had to get it. Go ahead and just apply this. And this is a matte lipstick. I might end up getting my lips done because I have literally no lip line. It's like, it's not even at all. So let's give final thoughts on this big box of 64 from the Crayon case. I absolutely love it. And I'm not saying this because I love the brand. I actually really enjoyed this palette. I feel like this is gonna be like my go-to palette for now because it literally has so many different, if I can open it, it really has so many different colors, different shades, formulas. Like there's pressed glitters in, there's pressed glitters in here, there's foiled shadows, like you have your mattes, your colorfuls, your neutrals, your cool tones. So it's like, this is like the perfect palette to have in your collection because you literally have all the shades in here. Only thing is this, it's not travel friendly because as you guys can see, like this is my big ass head and this is the palette. Like it's a big palette. So if you're someone that likes, you you know, small compact palettes for traveling, you might not like this. But if you are someone that just loves color and loves having one palette for everything, you're definitely gonna love this. So I highly recommend it. I really do like it. I'm definitely gonna continue to do more looks with it, some colorful looks. I had to do a smoky look because I don't know, lately I've been loving vampy smoky eyes. Like I just love these type of looks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see more. That way I can continue to film them for you guys. And as always, follow me on all of my other socials and subscribe. And I love you guys bunches. Thank you guys for, you know, sticking with your girl. And I can't believe we're almost at 800 followers, 800 subscribers, 800 love bugs. So yeah, like, share my page, you know, like, let your friends, your cousins, your mamas, your uncles, your aunties, let them know to subscribe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, bye. 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 Bye.